Hey guys, welcome back to What's for Dinner. This week, I'm telling you, it was a fail with my meal plan. Monday night, we ended up being in town, so we got Pizza Hut, a half a sausage, half a pepperoni pizza, and that's what we had for Monday night. And then we had to go back to town Tuesday, and that's when we picked up our groceries. By the time I got finished filming everything, peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, the KFC bowls didn't happen. But Wednesday, here we go with the KFC bowls. Yes, I've got my pan out. I am putting my Dollar Tree full paper over it. And then I always, even when I don't have full paper, I always just feel better if I spray that to make sure that it's not going to stick. Then I am going to get my chicken nuggets that y'all see me haul. I was kind of leery, to be honest. I really was, because you never know with off-brand. And just follow the directions. It's going to be as good as a bag. I believe the degrees was 425 for like 20 minutes. This meal. And he said, you're going to make this and make more of it next time, too. That is how you start off with the KFC bowls. And I can tell you, and I ate one ahead of time. And then after we get the chicken nuggets in the oven and get them cooking, I'm going to start off with the potatoes. I'm just using my regular instant potatoes. I'm going to spare y'all the magic of how they become potatoes from the powder. I showed y'all that last time, didn't I? I am also doing this voiceover and this editing at my daughter's house and using my laptop, which I am not used to. So, guys, beware. And then we're going to get the frozen corn. I love frozen corn or canned corn. I just had frozen corn. So I measure about a cup out and I just follow the directions on that package. I just put 2 tablespoons of water in it. But of course I also added a pat of butter, you'll see. And of course some salt and pepper. So y'all may hear some background noise of a little girl and little boy talking. That would be my Alexis and that would be my AJ. But I'm enjoying being here. Yesterday I had to go to the specialist, and y'all, I am tired. I did find out some information that I needed to know but didn't want to know, but it all could be corrected. It's just going to take some time. So there you will see, that's where I'm adding the butter and the salt and pepper to my corn to get it ready to put in the microwave for 3 minutes. This meal is the easiest meal. And then we just make some brown gravy, following the directions on this brown gravy mix. I think this brown gravy mix actually came from the Dollar Tree. And you will see, this is actually the only meal that I cooked this week. I don't know what was on my measuring cup there. I guess a piece of paper got stuck on it. There is no telling. But like I said, I'm not at home to get the directions, but I believe it was like a cup of water. Then you just mix the brown gravy mix in there. Then you put it on the stove on medium heat, and you use a whisk. You stir it occasionally and bring it to a boil. And then you boiled it for after it came to a full boil, you turned it down and simmered for a couple of minutes until it became the thick as you want it. And so that's how we did it. And as I'm sure you could probably just hear Miss Alexa scream, there is no telling what her and AJ is doing. But okay, now we've got everything done, and we're going to put our KFC bowls together. So you start off with some potatoes in the bottom. Yes, and these potatoes, these Idaho instant potatoes I get in the package, you don't have to season. I never have to add more salt or pepper. I never have to add butter or anything to them. And then after you get the potatoes in the bowl, we're going to get the corn in the bowl. And then after you get however much corn, I mean, it's to your taste, really. This is Keith's bowl that I'm actually making, so that's usually why I'm being generous on there, because I know he loved it. But like I said, y'all, he ate 2 bowls of this. And then I think that is like 3 or 4 of those chicken nuggets. I just cut them up so they'll be in littler pieces. And then after that, you get your brown gravy. You ladle some brown gravy over, and you have your KFC bowls. Yes, this is as delicious as it looks, and simple, so simple to make. Yes, and then Thursday came and I wasn't feeling it, so Keith got a TV dinner. I didn't want to make the meatloaf that I didn't make since the meals were put off because I knew we were going to be leaving to go out of town and I didn't want anything to waste. And then we went to Austin the following day, and then I forgot to take a picture, so you will see a picture I got off the internet. We had Chick-fil-A Friday night after I seen the doctor and came to Kayla's house. So I hope y'all enjoyed this week, and I'll see you next week.